Hi everyone, it's Jen with Keller Williams Realty here in Sugar Land, and today I'm with Rachel Dickerson. And Rachel has a wonderful business called A Beautiful Mess, and she was recently featured on Houston Life on our local channel 2. And I just wanted to let you guys hear about Rachel's business, so tell us all about it.
Yeah, thanks. I'm an organizing business, a professional organizer. I go into people's homes and we do consults. We also offer organizing and purging. I also offer shopping for the customer as well. If you're packing up and needing to move and like placement wise, I can organize it all there and organize it all at the new house as well. So lots of different options. I also just recently did my fridge, so there's a few things in here I'd like to show you. It's nice and pretty. So
awesome.
Let's look at this. The Container Store, Target, I mean, you can find stuff anywhere, but I went to Container Store, these bins that are just plastic, but they sort of give you lots of pops of color.
Yeah, that's great.
Easy access for the kids on the bottom shelf to get their snacks and just grab and go. So just to make it look and a sense of ease throughout the fridge, and it's not overwhelming.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Thank you for showing us inside your fridge.
No problem.
So whether you guys are wanting to get your house on the market and get it ready to sell and get it organized and cleaned up, or with spring cleaning coming up, you might just be, ready to get things organized and set so that you can enjoy your house more, and things are just easier to find and get to. Rachel can help you with that. So Rachel, where can they find you and your business?
I'm at abeautifulmess101.com, and then also on that links to my Facebook and my Instagram, and you can always message me that way. But those are the easiest ways to find me.
Awesome. Thank you. Thanks so much for telling us all about what you do. And you guys, let's get ready to get organized at abeautifulmess101.com. Thanks. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.